True Oldies 104.9 WAXI FM now conducts this test of the emergency alert system. Remember, this is only a test. That concludes our test of the emergency alert system. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, such as weather watches and warnings, plus other hazardous weather conditions, an official message would have followed the alert tones. True Oldies 104.9 WAXI FM serves the following Indiana counties: Clay, Fountain, Montgomery, Park, Putnam, Vermilion, and Vigo. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Tired of overpaying?